Hi guys, it's just day and it's another day, another vlog. So, as what you have noticed guys, nandito na din ako sa workplace ko as usual. And for today's agenda, we will just have to encode all the sales. And aside from that guys, we'll also check our passbook kung pumasok ba lahat ng sales. And continuation also our reports. And actually, hindi naman tayo loaded of paperwork today kasi nga wala pa naman tayong deliveries. And we are waiting also tracker from Pandakan. So, since nag-pick up sila kahapon, we are waiting na dumating yung stocks para at least makapag-deliver na kami sa mga pending areas. So, anyway guys, that would be my agenda for today. And dyan lang muna kayo guys and mag-work lang din muna ako.
Thursday na lang, sa Thursday na lang ha. Nga po sa Thursday. Sige, 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 sige. Tuwa pa si Chini ha, sa bangko. Sige, 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 sige. Tuwa pa siya, Pilipinas. Maray pa rin
So, anyway guys, wala naman tayong ibang ganap today kasi nga after work, diretso lang din tayo sa bahay. So, hindi naman tayo loaded of paperworks today. So, anyway guys, dumating nga pala yung pinakahintay kong parcel kasi nga it's my gift to my partner. So, anyway guys, samahan nyo ako mamaya na i-unbox to kasi nga it is very special gift and this is my first time na bumili talaga ng customized gift online and I don't know kung ano yung magiging outcome talaga ng product. So, hopefully na maging okay and then magustuhan niya talaga yung gift ko sa kanya. So, anyway guys, as what you have noticed, andito na ako sa bahay. So, samahan niyo ako guys na i-unbox na to. So, let's go guys!
Ginagawa mo!
So, anyway guys, I got my customized pillow and sobrang ganda talaga nito guys and the way it printed, sobrang ganda and sobrang clear niyang tignan. So, sobrang happy ko and sana magustuhan to ng partner ko. So, anyway guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye guys!